Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking char siu chicken marinated to sweet sticky perfection. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. And don't forget, everything used in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well. So make sure you check those out. Right, so in today's video, we're going to be doing a bit of an Asian dish, and this is purely from my background. I grew up and my parents used to foster Chinese babies, and I ended up with two fantastic Chinese brothers. Absolutely awesome. So we got to eat a lot of Asian food growing up, and I really, that's why I'm addicted to Chinese food. And sadly I moved to Australia and you cannot get a decent Chinese meal here. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is something that my mum used to cook. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's a really sticky, beautiful, tender recipe. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. So before we get started, first up you're going to need a mixing bowl, and I prefer to use these with a lid. Now there is a link in the description below of everything I use today, and these are a fantastic product, so make sure you check those out. So what we'll do first is grab our ingredients and then start making our marinade. Right, so now we've got our ingredients, I'll quickly go through what we've got and what we're going to use to make this marinade, and then we'll jump in with a time lapse and start mixing this marinade. So first up, you're going to need some brown sugar, you're going to need some honey, you're going to need 5 Chinese spices, some duck sauce, oyster sauce, some light soy sauce, maybe some garlic paste or some fresh garlic, some white pepper, some ginger paste, and then you're going to need some food colouring. So this is optional. This is one if you want to make that chicken look a lot more vibrant. What we'll do is we'll jump straight into it and start getting this marinade made. Right, so now we've made our marinade, it's time to prepare that chicken. So what we're going to do is going to cut all the excess fat off there, and today we're going to be using chicken thighs, or you can use chicken breast, but the problem with chicken breast is the chance of it drying out. So today we're going to be using thighs. So what we'll do is jump straight to it. Right, so with our chicken thighs, we're just going to cut all this excess fat off it. Now we've cut all the excess fat off those chicken thighs, we're going to get them in that marinade and make sure they're fully submerged, and then leave them to soak overnight. So what we'll do now is get our cue set up for an indirect cooking system, and this chicken's going to take around 20 minutes, and you're going to want to keep it at around 200 degrees. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Right, so that chicken's been marinating overnight. Now you can do this for up to 5 hours, but my advice is do it overnight purely so it will make all that meat enhanced with that flavour of that marinade. So any excess marinade, don't throw it away. You'll see why later in the video. What we're going to do is get that chicken out, get it on the cue. For this you're going to need a casserole dish. If you haven't got a cue casserole dish, you can use any casserole dish you like. What we're going to do is we'll line this with tin foil just to stop all that sticky mess getting in your casserole dish. So what we'll do is get this set up in the casserole dish and on the cue. Right, so now that chicken's on that queue, we've got around 20 minutes, so it's time to use that leftover sauce. So what we're going to do is bring it to the boil in the Q-ware pan. So what we'll do is jump straight to it. Right, so our chicken's come off and it smells absolutely divine. So what we're going to do now is let it rest for about 10 minutes tented under that foil. Right, so this chicken's been resting for 10 minutes. So it should be nice and tender. So what we'll do is get it plated up and give it a taste test. Now don't forget, everything you used in today's video, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipes down there as well, so make sure you check those out. Right, so enjoyed that video and I hope you found it really informative, and as you can see, it's a really simple dish to do. You just need that high heat to keep that temperature around 200 degrees. Now you can do this on the BBQ, the Genesis, you can even do it on the Weber kettle. Now as you saw, that chicken came off and it tasted absolutely beautiful. It was really moist, that sauce just complements it completely. Now you can serve it with chicken rice, and I will share a recipe on how to make that in a future video. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. And you're gonna need some red food coloring. Now this is optional if you wanna make that food, I forgot what it was again. Vibrant, 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 vibrant. Vibrant, vibrant.